up everyone, FishSeeker here, and I'm out here at my local lake, Belvedere Park, and this is the first time I'm using Hookup Baits, and it turned out to be a pretty productive day. I was using my usual jigs and didn't have much luck, so my sister insisted on me using Hookup Baits, and here it is. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and like, comment, subscribe.
How you bounce it.
How does it feel to catch your first fish on a hookup bait, huh?
You know why? The tube is so big when they open the mouth, the tube isn't coming out. The tube. I don't even know what to say, dude.
Weak kid.
I don't even know what to say, dude. I don't even know what to say anymore. Out.
Yeah, it looks like it.
It doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it, but that's what it is. Can't wait for it to get another one. Can't wait.
You use the hookup bait too.
Let's go! FishSeeker on with this number 2 trout with the hookup bait. Yeah.
It's probably because I think she's doing it too.
Chris?
Alright, sister.
It's right here.
On my route.
Okay. It's right here. It's in here.
Give me the fucking.
Because I was like, okay, right next to him. I'm gonna go any minute now. Like any second. Like come back and miss it. Come back and fucking upset. And I brought it all the way in. And I was like, okay.
Give me the fucking jig.
I know. Fucking jig. Yeah.
What was a heavy one? Okay, all the other smaller ones, I can just pull it up like that.
I got it. FishSeeker is
Thank you, sister. Okay.
What is that? That's 2 contests.
It is 2 contests.
It's fine, dude. 2 contests on you.
I know. Come on, dude. I fucking cooked some big ass fish on this thing. Yeah.
I like that one. That's big.
Fucking Chris.
What's up?
Give me the fucking jig.
Yeah. The whole time I was like,
Oh!
Chris, this would be a fun.
yeah.
It is definitely
Oh, shit. And it was. Damn it. I don't know how that one didn't hook. It's the stupid hook, sister. Just cheap ass hooks. Oh my god.
Chris, you want
Jesus Christ. Placing my order, Chris. I'm sorry. I'm placing my order. Jesus. Goes over there. Yeah.
Huh?
Goes over there right now. That one's gonna come back. Some male. Big old mouth, look at that. Holy crap. Got my limit over there. All caught on Hookup Baits. All dinks, but this one.
fun day.